In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the line that's between two images in Photoshop. This is gonna be an incredibly fast tutorial, so let's get started. First, select the image layer that's at the top. So select this image, then click on the mask button that can be found at the bottom right here. This is gonna create the mask that we will use to remove the line. And once you get that out of the way, you can go ahead and activate the brush tool from the tools bar at the left hand side. Make sure that the foreground color is set to black, and before doing anything else, make sure that the brush size is somewhat large. Also, make sure to set the hardness at 0 and make the brush type be soft round. After that, lower the value of the setting a little bit, that's called flow. And now you can go ahead and brush over the line that's in the middle while the mask is being selected. Make sure to keep brushing over this area over and over until the line gets completely removed.
2 hours later.
And as you can see, the line has been successfully removed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.